once a channel. In today's topic we'll see about colonoscopy CPT coding, screening, diagnostic and therapeutic, and what are the ICDs involved in it. This makes a bit easier for you to code without error, especially for surgery coders. This might be useful, so please watch the video. What is screening colonoscopy? Screening colonoscopy means patient has no problem at all. She is at high risk. That means patient family history like mother, father or grandparents have risk of colorectal cancer, something like that. Then now patient is coming for screening to test whether she or he is having any problem in the colon. That is called screening colonoscopy. Once the screening is done, if doctor is not able to find any problem, that means a healthy colon is viewed in colonoscopy, then we go for Z code. Okay, that is screening colonoscopy. When screening colonoscopy converts to diagnostic or therapeutic colonoscopy. What is diagnostic and what is therapeutic colonoscopy? If suppose patient is coming for screening colonoscopy and it is some rectal bleeding or polyp is found in some part of the colon, then that is said to be screening colonoscopy converted to diagnostic colonoscopy. Okay, if suppose then we append PT modifier to the CPT and bill stating that screening is converted to diagnostic. Okay, then we have G codes for Medicare coverage. Okay, instead of giving 45378 we give G codes. Okay, then when the screening colonoscopy is converted to therapeutic colonoscopy, when patient is coming for screening and some rectal bleeding is there, okay, due to tumor, some polyp in the colon, and this physician or surgeon takes out the polyp through hot biopsy forceps or cold biopsy forceps, any technique of polyp removal, then that is said to be screening converted to therapeutic. Then also we append PT modifier. Okay, so now let us see the codes. What are the screening codes, what are diagnostic colonoscopy codes, and what are the types of therapeutic colonoscopy codes. Usually what will be the colon problems? Okay, it may be presence of a polyp or bleeding at polyp site or some erosions, rectal bleeding, all these, if there is a stricture, then they will dilate by introducing balloon. Then ablation of tumor through snare technique or hot biopsy forceps or cold biopsy forceps. Let us see the codes and how it should be coded.
So these are the CPT codes for colonoscopy. 45378 is the diagnostic colonoscopy by brushing or washing specimen collection. Then 45379 is colonoscopy with removal of foreign body. 45380 is colonoscopy with biopsy, single or multiple, that is cold biopsy forceps. Okay, 45381 is colonoscopy with directed submucosal injection, any substance. 45382 is colonoscopy with control of bleeding, any method. 45388 is colonoscopy with ablation of tumor or polyp or lesion. Okay, 45384 is colonoscopy with removal of tumor or polyp or polyps or lesions by hot biopsy forceps. 45385 is colonoscopy with removal of tumors or polyps or lesions by snare technique. 45386 is colonoscopy with transendoscopic balloon dilation. 45389 is colonoscopic with endoscopic stent placement. 45391 is colonoscopic with endoscopic ultrasound examination limited to rectum, sigmoid, descending, transverse or ascending colon and cecum and adjacent structures. 45392 is colonoscopy with transendoscopic ultrasound guided intramural or transmural fine needle aspiration or biopsies. Includes endoscopic ultrasound examination limited to rectum also. 45390 is colonoscopic with endoscopic mucosal resection. 45393 is colonoscopy with decompression, including placement of decompression tube when performed. 45398 is colonoscopy with band ligation of hemorrhoids. So this is a list of G codes used for Medicare patient for colorectal cancer screening. G0104, Z0105, 106, 120, 121 and 328. Read them carefully and assign correctly.
If suppose doctor is removing only one polyp through various polypectomy techniques. First he uses cold biopsy forceps, then he is not successful in removing it. Then he uses hot biopsy forceps. Yes, then do not go only on one polyp. He is using cold biopsy forceps and also hot biopsy forceps. Then go for hot biopsy forceps CPT. Do not go for cold biopsy forceps. If suppose there are 2 or 3 polyps, okay, and the physician is removing polypectomy, doing polypectomy using different techniques. One is through cold biopsy forceps, one is through snake technique, and one is through hot biopsy forceps. Then code all the CPTs, okay, because he is using different techniques to remove different polyps, okay. If number of polyps are removed by only one technique, that is suppose he is using cold biopsy forceps to remove 2 to 3 polyps, then we give only one code, that is 45380. Okay, if he is removing 2 different polyps by using 2 different techniques, yes, we go ahead and give 2 different CPTs for both the techniques. But when you are coding for the same patient on the same day by the same physician, 2 CPTs or billing 2 CPTs, make sure that you are checking NCCI edits. In NCCI edits, if there is bundling, yes, you have to give or append 59 modifier to the CPT which has lower audio value and bill it. That is correct coding. Okay. So this is all about colonoscopy CPT coding in medical coding. I hope this will help you in clearing the doubts on colonoscopy coding. I'll come up with another topic on another day with another video. So please subscribe to my channel for more information in medical coding. Thank you.